Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Uber Freight API for secure UI login flows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Uber Freight API, start by creating an account on the Uber Freight platform. Once registered, log into your dashboard to access your API credentials. Locate the API settings section within your account settings. Here, generate a new API key specifically for your application. Make sure to save this key in a secure location, as it's essential for authentication. Next, you'll need to implement the OAuth 2.0 protocol for your login flow. Begin by directing users to the Uber Freight authorization endpoint. Specify your application's client ID and the necessary scopes in the request. Users will be prompted to log in and authorize access to their data. After authorization, Uber Freight will redirect users back to your application with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code for the next step in the authentication process. Now, exchange this authorization code for an access token. Make a POST request to the token endpoint including your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. In response, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as they will be used for subsequent API requests. To maintain session security, implement a timer to refresh the access token periodically. Use the refresh token in a separate request to obtain a new access token when necessary. Finally, integrate the access token into the headers of your API requests for authentication. Follow these steps to ensure a secure and efficient login flow with Uber Freight API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.